My name is Ahmed.
I am Muhammad Ali Khan.
My name is Vanya.
My name is Zayan Asif.
My name is Safa.
My name is Uzair.
Innocent Omina.
Mohammed Rizwan.
And we are here at Glinks Pathfinder.
It was very informative, and I was able to find a lot of good universities.
And there is a very wide range of many countries and many courses.
I got to know about the scholarships and language courses to take and from where do I get it. They're also helping me settle in Germany easily.
I found out a lot about things I never knew about, and they helped me apply, and they helped me know more about universities and how to apply and everything.
And everyone here is so informative, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to find a good career path over here.
And it was really cool. It was she told me about the graduate programs, the undergraduate programs, the tuitions, the scholarships. I feel like it was one of the best universities that I've seen in the area right now.
I searched for universities in Europe, all over Europe, in Asia, everywhere. There are a lot of universities, a lot of good ones, and they're telling us all about them.
It was a great experience. I learned a lot about the universities I want to apply to.
And there's a lot of universities here which have the courses which I'm looking for. And overall, my experience here has been really great, and it's really nice here.
I met the University of Windsor, the Metropolitan Toronto University. I think this is pretty good experience.
And it just helped me clarify my doubts about scholarship and whatsoever my career paths and so on.
You tell them and they're gonna help guide you through the scholarships. I came here personally to look for scholarships, and they've been really helpful with that so far.
We love Glinks International.